Stop settling for old, frustrating tools. If you want to build projects faster, easier, and with pro-level precision, you have to see this list. Today, we're diving deep into the absolute cutting edge of your craft. We scoured Amazon to find the 20 genius woodworking tools that are total game changers for 2025. These are the must-have tools and clever Amazon woodworking tools that DIYers and seasoned pros are raving about right now. Trust me, tool number 13 is so smart you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Get your wallets ready. Let's get right into the cool tools you need in your workshop. Without further ado, let's dive in. Breathing in fine dust from power tools poses significant health risks, making dust control essential for safer workshops. The Cen-Tec Quick Click Dust Collection System is a premium home improvement tool engineered in the USA, designed to capture dust and debris at the source, keeping your workspace clean and healthy. Featuring a wide range of adapter sizes, it connects to almost every power tool with 360-degree swivel adapters that prevent hose kinking and maintain flexibility. The durable blue acetal clip ensures thousands of secure connections, while compression rings provide a tight fit. Its no-weld hose design maximizes airflow, reducing clogs. Ideal for woodworkers, DIYers, and professionals, this system ensures efficient, safe, and dust-free operation. Keeping projects stable, level, and protected is essential for accurate, damage-free work. The Slipstick work grippers are premium home improvement tools designed to provide a non-slip grip surface for woodworking, sanding, painting, routing, carving, assembly, and more. These universal bench grippers raise and support your work, delivering an elevated, level, and stable platform that protects both the workpiece and the work surface. Built tough, each gripper can support up to 1,000 pounds, making them equally effective on floors as non-skid supports for heavy furniture, appliances, and machinery. With their durable, high-friction surface, they act like an extra set of helping hands. Perfect for any toolbox, workshop, or craft room, these grippers make every project easier and more secure. Precision and control are key when working with small materials and detailed projects. The Sabre table saw is a premium home improvement tool built for versatility and accuracy. This mini table saw for crafts is compatible with PCB boards, wooden sticks, plastic sheets, thin boards, cans, aluminum tubes, and more. It comes with 4 circular saw blades, PCB cutting, high-speed steel, alloy, and resin to handle diverse cutting tasks. Featuring a 100-watt motor with 5 adjustable speed settings, it ensures smooth, efficient operation. With an adjustable cutting angle from 0 to 90 degrees and a 16mm depth, it allows precision work. Compact, lightweight, and beginner-friendly, this saw is perfect for DIY projects, crafting, and fine woodworking tasks. Keeping materials firmly in place is essential for clean, accurate work. The GreatNeck Precision Bar Clamps are premium home improvement tools designed to deliver reliable holding power for woodworking and construction. Built with a twist-locking mechanism, these sliding bar clamps provide a strong one-handed grip, offering 300 pounds of clamping force to keep pieces steady during machining. The rubber jaws protect surfaces from damage, while the 18-inch clamping capacity and 3.3-inch depth make them ideal for small jobs and tight spaces. With comfort grip handles, these carpenter clamps reduce hand strain, ensuring long-lasting ease of use. Perfect for woodworkers, DIYers, and carpenters, they keep projects steady and precise. Consistent blade performance is key to achieving smooth, accurate cuts. The RO6G bandsaw urethane tires are designed for reliability and durability. Compatible with Jet, Grizzly, and Power-Matic bandsaws, these urethane tires install quickly and easily with no adhesive required. Their uniform thickness ensures optimum blade tracking, excellent traction, and crowning, while also preventing blade damage caused by wheel contact. Built to improve productivity and efficiency, they extend the life of your blade and are finished in bright orange for easy inspection. Perfect for woodworkers and professionals, these tires provide the most durable, easy-to-install solution for maintaining peak bandsaw performance. Precision layout work is essential for professional quality joinery. The JessEm Wood Sabre Marking Gauge is a premium home improvement tool designed to deliver accuracy, control, and durability. Built with finely machined components, it features a solid stainless steel surface nearly 3 inches wide, providing a stable bearing surface for smooth operation. It's a 2-tool steel blade, hardened to 60 Rockwell and factory-honed, which ensures crisp, clean lines. The grooved guide shaft with spring-loaded ball bearings locks into 1/2-inch intervals, while the engraved scale and spindle allow precise micro-adjustments down to 1/256th of an inch. A retractable blade and an included wall bracket add convenience. Perfect for dovetails, dados, or layout work. This marking gauge brings unmatched precision and repeatability to woodworking projects. Creating strong and decorative joints is essential for professional cabinetry and furniture projects. The Infinity Cutting Tools router bit is a premium home improvement tool engineered for precision and durability. Built from CNC machined solid high-strength steel bars, not castings, it ensures unmatched stability. Its multi-axis automated carbide grinding delivers ultimate sharpness and long life, while induction brazing creates the strongest bond between carbide tips and the steel body. This rail and stile router bit allows you to cut both rail and stile profiles with a single bit. Simply adjust the height in your router table. With a 1/2-inch shank, it's ideal for 3/4 of an inch thick stock. Perfect for handheld or table-mounted routers, it's designed to craft cabinet doors and decorative frames with professional quality results. Every DIY project or repair job demands clean, precise cuts across different materials. The Einhell cordless jigsaw delivers exactly that, making it a premium home improvement tool built for versatility and accuracy. Featuring a universal holder, cutting line guide, splinter guard, LED light, and parallel guide A, it ensures flawless results every time. With a 4/5-inch stroke length and a 45-degree max bevel angle, this jigsaw adapts to angled or straight cuts with ease. Its Pow-R-Tek 18-volt battery system powers all Einhell tools with a single battery type. The adjustable pendulum stroke and tool-free blade change make it beginner-friendly yet professional-grade. Perfect for cutting wood, plastic, and metal. Precision, strength, and smooth performance are essential when shaping wood into fine projects. The Laguna Tools Revo Lathe delivers on all fronts as a premium home improvement tool built for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Powered by a 110-volt, 1.5 horsepower, 18-inch by 36-inch induction motor with variable speed frequency drive, it runs at 1,725 RPM with impressive torque, even at low speeds. Its ergonomic anodized aluminum control panel, blue DRO readout, and rubber grip knurled control knob make operation effortless. The steel bed with cast iron headstock ensures longevity and smooth travel, while quick-release handles and cam lock systems provide secure adjustments. Perfect for precise, versatile wood-turning projects, this lathe brings accuracy and durability to every workshop. A reliable fastening tool is essential for quick, strong, and clean results in DIY and professional projects. The INGCO staple gun is a premium home improvement tool designed with versatility and ease of use in mind. Featuring a 3-in-1 design, it allows compatibility with multiple staple types for various applications. The pressure adjustment knob, metal drive channel switch, and crush pad ensure precise stapling power, while the ergonomic handle with an electroplated surface and handle lock provide comfort and safety during use. Its easy-to-install magazine system makes staple changes simple and efficient. Perfect for woodworking, upholstery, repairs, and crafts. This adjustable staple gun guarantees durability, precision, and convenience for any task. Maintaining stability and precision when turning long or irregular wood pieces is crucial for quality results. The BMWOOD wood-turning steady rest is a premium home improvement tool compatible with 12-inch, 14-inch, and 16-inch swing lathes, adjustable with varying numbers of blocks for different lathe sizes. Constructed from high-quality steel, it features 3 rubber-coated rollers with a double-bearing design for smooth rotation, preventing marks on the workpiece. The guide lock screw and adjustable arms allow easy clamping, while the center frame design reduces vibration and ensures concentricity. Ideal for spindle wood turning, this steady rest provides safety, support, and precise control for items like baseball bats, table legs, and chair legs. Precision and power are essential for achieving smooth, accurate cuts on a router table. The JessEm Pow-R-Tek SR router is a 3 1/4 horsepower, table-mounted router motor engineered specifically for upside-down operation. It features a dual angular contact spindle bearing system, delivering virtually vibration-free rotation and spindle runout of less than 1/1000th of an inch. The motor includes air deflector plates, dual intake ports, and a dustbox air supply to keep it cool and smooth, while the heavy-duty casting reduces flex. Safety features include variable speed control, soft start, no-volt release, and fast motor stop. Ideal for woodworking, precise shaping, and high-performance routing, it includes 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch ER20 collets for versatility. Ensuring safety and control while guiding materials through saws or routers is crucial in woodworking. The Microjig GRR-RIP is a smart push block designed for table saws, rotor tables, joiners, and band saws. It features 4 auto-drop smart heels with smart hooks technology, providing instant grip and release to prevent kickback. The proprietary green GRR-RIP grip delivers extreme non-slip traction for wood, plastic, and metal. An ergonomic handle and 90-degree flip guide reduce hand strain while applying precise pressure. Versatile for vertical and freehand use, it also offers an optional deflector connector shield plate for added protection. Ideal for achieving maximum control, precision, and safety in woodworking projects. Accurately installing concealed hinges is essential for achieving professional-looking cabinet doors. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig offers a fast, reliable, and easy-to-use solution for mounting doors, cabinets, and built-ins or updating kitchen cabinets. It allows precise hinge placement with the accuracy of a drill press using nothing more than a standard drill. Featuring indexing cams, built-in measuring scales, and a removable guide for the included carbide-tipped bit, the jig eliminates guesswork. The 35mm carbide bit drills clean cup holes, while the jig also guides screw holes accurately. Ideal for both single doors and full kitchen installations, it ensures professional quality hinge placement, consistent hole depth, and perfect alignment every time. Splitting firewood efficiently is essential for home heating and outdoor projects. The BILT Hard Attec log splitter is an electric log splitter with a powerful 15-amp motor, delivering 6.5 tons of force to split logs up to 9.8-inch diameter and 20.5-inch length with ease. Its hydraulic ram resets quickly, making repeated splitting fast and effortless. Designed for safety and eco-friendliness, it features 2 hand controls and fume-free electric operation. The unit includes a stand that elevates it to 33 inches and 5.7-inch transport wheels for portability. With durable steel construction, this horizontal log splitter provides efficient, safe, and convenient firewood processing for home or workshop use. Precise and efficient cutting is essential for plumbing, electrical, and general construction tasks. The trend hole saw sets offer professional-grade performance with 8% cobalt M42 teeth and a thick-gauge bi-metal steel body, ensuring long-lasting durability and fast, smooth cutting action. Equipped with a quick-release arbor HSS pilot drill and hex screw, these hole saws provide accurate guidance and reduced slippage. Angled ejection cooling slots remove debris and dissipate heat, extending tool life. With variable pitch teeth and a 38mm cutting depth, they handle thin and thick materials, including wood, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, bronze, brass, and plastics, making them ideal for plumbers, electricians, and multi-material projects. Achieving smooth and precise finishes on wood and other materials requires a reliable sanding solution. The BUCKTOOL Belt and Disc Sander is a 4-inch by 36-inch belt and 6-inch disc combo designed for fine sanding, polishing, and detail finishing. Powered by a 3/4 horsepower direct drive induction motor, it delivers quiet, efficient, and maintenance-free operation. The tilting belt, from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and an adjustable cast aluminum work table with a miter gauge allow for angled, flat, or curved sanding with precision. Features like quick belt replacement, easy belt tracking, dust collection ports, and a sturdy base ensure durability, stability, and convenience, making it ideal for workshops, garages, or hobbyist woodworking projects. Sometimes fastening materials securely requires more than just hand tools. It calls for precision, power, and safety. The WorkPro pneumatic staple gun is a T50 upholstery stapler designed for carpentry, woodworking, and DIY projects. Compatible with 20 GA staples 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch, it includes 1,260 pieces of staples to get you started. Built with an ergonomic soft grip handle, rear exhaust, and magazine capacity of 120 pieces, it ensures comfort and efficiency. The transparent staple reload window lets you easily monitor supplies while the safety trigger design prevents accidental firing. Durable, air-powered, and versatile, this tool is ideal for upholstery, picture framing, material repair, cable fixing, and DIY pet house projects. Cutting large branches, stumps, or trees efficiently requires a reliable and powerful tool. The INGCO Power Plus chainsaw is an 18-inch battery-powered electric cordless chainsaw that delivers 45cc gas-equivalent power with its high-efficiency brushless motor reaching up to 11,000 RPM. It includes a 56-volt, 4-ampere-hour battery and charger, enabling up to 220 cuts per charge on a 4x4, and is compatible with all INGCO 56-volt ARC lithium batteries. Featuring an 18-inch bar and chain, tool-free chain tensioning, and a bright LED work light, this cordless chainsaw is weather-resistant and perfect for cutting large branches, stumps, and tall trees safely and efficiently. Installing door locks accurately and safely requires precision and a reliable guide. The Milescraft LockMate is a self-clamping professional door lock installation kit designed for wood or metal doors with 1 3/8 inches and 1 3/4 inches thickness. It includes 2 1/8 inch and 1 inch bimetal cobalt hole saws that cut through solid or hollow core doors with ease. The jig features metal-lined stepped drill guide bushings to prevent damage and extend the tool's life. Adjustable for 2 3/8 inches and 2 3/4 inches back sets, it is compatible with most standard locks. The deadbolt locator ensures perfect spacing for handles and deadbolts, making it ideal for accurate, damage-free door lock installations. And those are the 20 genius woodworking tools from Amazon that you absolutely need in your shop for 2025. Which of these cool tools blew your mind? Let me know in the comments below and tell me which one is going straight into your cart. If you want more DIY tools, workshop hacks, and the hottest Amazon finds, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. We drop new tool reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.